Installing your CompassWave tool is extremely easy. Simply navigate to Form Installation, where you can view instructions and your iframe and script tags. To embed the form, you will either use the iframe tag or the script tag, not both. All you need to do is copy one of the two embed codes and paste it into the desired section on your website. Content management systems like WordPress or Drupal have iframe embed elements built in, or you can simply insert via any raw HTML element. Provide your code to your webmaster or ask us any questions regarding installation. Please make sure you place the tool in an area with enough height and width to fit the tool in its entirety. For any questions, please reach out to us via the chat bubble on the bottom right-hand corner of compasswave.com. Thank you very much.